Hello everyone. Welcome to another video on our channel. Today we'll be talking about fun with children in the park. Parks are wonderful places where children can play, explore, and have a lot of fun. In this video, we'll discuss different activities you can enjoy with your children in the park and how these activities can help improve their physical and mental development. Whether you're a parent, caregiver, or just someone who loves spending time outdoors with children, this video will give you great ideas on how to make the most of your time in the park. Let's get started. Parks offer a great opportunity for children to connect with nature and play in a safe, open space. Outdoor activities help them build physical strength, improve motor skills, and boost their overall health. Running, jumping, climbing, and playing on swings or slides allow kids to use their energy in a positive way. Being outside in the fresh air is also beneficial for their mental health, helping them feel more relaxed and happier. One of the best things about parks is the wide range of physical activities you can enjoy together. You can play simple games like tag or hide and seek, which not only give children exercise but also help them develop social skills. If there's a playground, let them explore the swings, slides, and climbing frames. You can also bring a ball for games like soccer or catch, which are great for improving hand-eye coordination. These activities not only keep children active, but also help them learn teamwork and sharing. Parks aren't just about running around. They can also be places for imagination and creativity. Try organizing a scavenger hunt where children look for items like leaves, rocks, or flowers. This helps them observe their surroundings and boosts their curiosity. You can also play pretend games, like pretending the playground is a pirate ship or the grass is a jungle. These kinds of activities encourage children to think creatively and come up with their own stories. Creativity is important for children's cognitive development, and parks provide a perfect environment to nurture it. Spending time in the park can also be educational. You can teach children about nature by identifying different plants, trees, and birds. Bringing a simple guidebook or using an app can turn your time in the park into a mini nature lesson. It's a great way to make learning fun and interactive. Children often learn best when they are engaged and curious, so take the opportunity to ask questions like, "What do you think this tree is called?" Or, "How many types of birds can we find today?" These small conversations encourage learning and curiosity. Parks are also wonderful places for children to meet other kids and develop their social skills. You can organize a play date with friends or join other families at the park. Group games, like relay races or team sports, teach children how to cooperate, follow rules, and work together with others. If your child is shy, playing with others in the park can help them feel more confident in social situations. Parks create a relaxed atmosphere where children can make new friends and build lasting relationships. While children are busy playing, parks also offer a great opportunity for parents and caregivers to relax. Bring a book, enjoy the fresh air, or simply take a moment to unwind while watching your child have fun. It's important for parents to take some time for themselves, even while supervising their kids. Parks provide a stress-free environment where you can recharge while knowing your child is safe and enjoying themselves. Regular trips to the park help children develop healthy habits. Encouraging outdoor play reduces screen time and promotes a more active lifestyle. Children who spend time outdoors are more likely to develop a love for physical activity that lasts into adulthood. It's also an opportunity to teach them about taking care of the environment. Simple tasks like throwing away litter or respecting plants and animals in the park can instill a sense of responsibility and care for nature. Spending time in the park is a great way for families to bond. You can organize a family picnic where everyone brings their favorite food or play games that involve the whole family, like a friendly game of frisbee. Family time in the park strengthens relationships, creates lasting memories, and allows everyone to relax and enjoy each other's company. These moments of laughter and fun help build strong connections between parents and children. While parks are generally safe, it's important to keep a few safety tips in mind. Always keep an eye on young children, especially when they're playing on equipment like swings or climbing frames. Make sure children wear appropriate shoes for running and climbing to prevent injuries. Bring water and sunscreen to protect them from the sun, especially on hot days. It's also a good idea to have a small first aid kit on hand in case of minor cuts or scrapes. Lastly, remember to balance fun with rest. After running around and playing, children might need a break. Bring along a blanket or some snacks and find a nice shady spot to sit and relax. Use this time to talk, reflect on the day, or simply enjoy a quiet moment together. These breaks are important to ensure that children don't become overtired and can fully enjoy their time in the park. Parks offer endless opportunities for fun, learning, and bonding with children. Whether you're playing games, exploring nature, or simply relaxing, spending time in the park is a great way to connect with your kids and create memories. So next time the weather is nice, grab your family and head to the park for a day full of fun and adventure. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on improving your English and spending quality time with your family. See you in the next video.